Let's welcome you all for story session, a time where we become a thought leader, we think, and we derive wonderful life skills, life values from simple and beautiful stories. Let's begin. Today we have a story of a young boy, 7-8 years old. His name is Johnny. It is Christmas Eve. It's New Year's Eve. One day before the New Year, Christmas holidays are also there. And Johnny has a list in his mind. I'll get this, I'll get that, I'll get this new toy, I'll get this new t-shirt, I'll get this pair of shoes. And he has this wonderful thing, and he has been making this list for almost 1 to 2 months. From November, he has been making this wonderful list in his mind. I'll buy this, I'll buy that, I will get this, I will do that. And he had lots of things. So his father was also prepared. His father had also kept some money separately only for this. Johnny and his father went to the marketplace. He was very excited. Wow, it's going to be a very good shopping day. It's 31st of December and tomorrow is 1st of January. Christmas has got over and I'm going to buy a lot of gifts for myself, my family members, present for myself. He was again going through the list. Oh, I need a new belt. I need a good, I saw the shining t-shirt, the pair of slippers, the shoes, and some good food to eat. As they were going from the market, he went across a bird store, a pet store specifically selling birds. Birds are in the cage. While he was just crossing, he noticed the birds are like crying out of mercy. They're hitting their beaks on the cage. And in fact, some have got blood on them. Johnny's feet got stuck. He is not able to move. His father is moving front. He's just stuck there. He's just looking at the shop. They're looking at the shop. In just that shock, he's just looking at the shop. His father goes ahead and realizes Johnny has not come. Father comes running back. What happened, Johnny? What? Come. The market will be getting crowded very soon. Come. And he says, what are you looking at? He sees the bird store. And there are hundreds of birds in different kinds of cages. Small birds, big birds, parrots, mynas, cockatoos, those lovebirds. They're all trapped. They're screaming. They're hitting their beaks to the cage and all that. And he decides, Dad, can I go find out what is this? Father says, yeah, go ahead. He goes there, speaks to the bird shop owner, and he says, what is this? Why birds are supposed to be free? Why are they caged? The man says, I don't have any other choice. What do I do? This is the way I make my living. I make my life. At this particular time, Johnny will have tears in his eyes. His father will bend down and say, so what do you want to do? Father, what can we do? What do you have to say? Father will ask Johnny. Johnny will think it over. Johnny, Papa, we have some money, no? With that money, can we free all the birds? Can we free some of them at least? Father said, are you sure? You've been thinking for it for last 2 months. Last 2 months, you've been waiting for this particular day. You were looking to buy a nice pair of shiny shoes, a belt, good t-shirt, food to eat, wonderful cake is supposed to come through. He says, Father, if it is okay by you, Mother, if it is okay by the mother, then I would like to buy some birds and set them free. Set them free. Father says, yeah, absolutely. It is your money. If this brings you happiness, will this bring you happiness? Johnny says, think for a while. His mind is thinking, oh, I'm going to miss out my t-shirt, the colorful shoes, and all that. And he's about to answer. What do you think he should answer? What do you think Johnny answered? Rohan, what do you think Johnny answered?
maybe got he filled the parrots with the money which he has, and he bought half money he bought and half money he gave to the bird shop people.
Very nice. Wonderful. Great answer there. One amazing answer. Very nice. Siddhi, what do you think, dear?
Coach, like he can separate his money, one for freeing the birds, and other for whatever the shopping he has done.
Very nice. Yukta?
Coach, he was planning to go, but he didn't because of the birds. So he probably kept like 3/4 of the money for the birds and only a quarter of the money for his shopping, because he knew that birds were important than his shopping. He can buy his clothes next year, but these birds might be in someone else's home in the same cage next year.
Shailesh, legendary leader, what do you think?
I think so. The boy spent all of his money by freeing the birds.
Why do you think that, Shailesh? Why did he use all his money?
Because the birds were struggling inside the cages and they wanted to come out. So I think so. He felt very sad for the birds and he did that.
Super. That's why you are a legendary leader. Love you, darling. Yeah. So what he decided
Very
is,
good.
Dad, with my money, how much ever birds can be free? All the birds can be free. Be very good. They asked, the shopkeeper said, we can only do partially. Father was moved by seeing that his son is making such a wonderful sacrifice. Father said, whatever it is, whatever money my son is spending, I will put double the money. Free all the birds. And then he spoke to the shop owner. And he said, see, I work in a factory. I'm a manager there. Why don't you come over? Instead of this, what do you want? Do you think you are happy doing it? The shop owner also said, no, sir, I'm also not very happy, but I don't have a job. What do I do? So the father gives his card and they free all the birds. They free all the birds. The father puts 2/3 of the money. The child put his all 1/3 of the money. And he was very happy that this time, okay, he did not get his favorite shoes, not buy the clothes, the food that he wanted to eat, but he was the happiest child. He knew what he did it right. And his father was very happy that his son has learned a wonderful lesson, learned a very powerful lesson at such a young age of being what? One word. What is that word? What is this called as?
Being kind.
Being kind, nice. What is that one word this is called as? It starts with the letter or the alphabet C.
Caring.
Caring. C-O-M. C-O-M-P.
Complaint.
Compromise.
A.
Complaint.
S.
Compassion.
Compassion. This is called as compassion. Compassion for our fellow creatures on the planet. Yes, must have compassion for the fellow creatures on the planet, isn't it? Correct. Birds are meant to be free. Yes, as superhuman leaders it's very important that we should understand the importance of coexistence. Just for our need and our greed, just to have some pleasure, that we cage these animals, cage these birds. Pretty sad, isn't it?
Coach, even near my house, there are two other houses which have these birds. I'm not sure which. I have not yet found out which birds they are, but they've kept a cover over the cage, and those birds scream every single day. Every single day, whenever I pass by the house, I hear them.
And so just for their simple pleasures, just for their entertainment, they've caged the poor animal, isn't it? Why don't you go there someday and talk to them? Tell them just for your pleasure, just for this thing, after all, that's also your life. Go ahead and do that sometime. Tell them if their heart changes, very good. Otherwise,
No, coach, sometimes they'll be playing with the birds, but then the birds, like they'll be on the opposite side of the cage.
playing with the birds, for them it's a play, but with bird it's still a pain, no?
Yeah.
Go ahead and talk to them. Talk to the family member that they should learn and teach their children compassion. Wonderful. Very nice. Over to Yukta. Yukta, Vajrasana, please. And let's move on. Yes. Everybody, please sit in Vajrasana. Rohan, Siddhi, Sailesh leader. Yeah, Sailesh, amazing Vajrasana. Great, great, great. Love you, dear. Time. Close your eyes. We are going to do a short meditation. Focus on your breathing. Let's begin.
Let's start with our alternate nasal breathing.
Left in, right out, right in, left out. Yukta, very nice. The hand is in the right position. 20 of them.
Let's start with deep breathing. 6 counts. Hum. 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 Hum.
Now, let's start with energizer. Now let's start with gratitude. Cross your hands. Thank you, Self. Thank you, Self, for being such an amazing person. Always so kind, always so caring. Thank you, Self, for always being focused on your goals. Thank you, Self, for always being focused on yourself. Thank you, Self, for always being focused on whatever you do, in your goals, in your purpose. Thank you, Self, for always being kind, for always being caring. Thank you, Self, for always having love towards Mother Earth, the animals, towards the trees, towards nature, towards everything and anything in the world. Thank you, Self, for always being compassionate. Thank you, Self, for always thinking of every solution. Thank you, Self, for always having a solution-oriented mindset, thinking many solutions for only one challenge. Thank you, two plus of support, your mom and your dad for always being there for you. They've given you everything you need, whether it's food to eat, a shelter to live in, or clothes to wear. They've given you love and care throughout your life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank your gurus, your teachers, your coaches for always supporting you, for always being there whenever you needed them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now thank your family and your friends for always being there for you, for always having your back whenever you needed them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank the Mother Nature for giving you resources like food, water, and oxygen. Without these resources, we wouldn't be alive today. Thank God the Almighty for giving a soul with a purpose, a soul with a why, a soul with a mission and vision. Thank the God the Almighty for giving everything in abundance, whether it's life, health, wealth, education, money, everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now visualize a bright white light coming right towards you. This bright white light enters to your head, goes down your face, your neck, your chest, your hands, your fingers, your fingertips, goes down your stomach, your thighs, your knees, your calves, and your toes. Head to toe to head, fully blessed with bright white light. Now we're in the right state of mind to visualize our goals, our purpose, our mission and vision. Visualize your long-term goals, your short-term goals, your goals for today, your goals for tomorrow. Start. Now let go of your hands, hands on your heart, and repeat after me. I'm amazing. I'm powerful. I'm kind. I'm considerate. I'm compassionate. I respect anything and everything in the world. I respect Mother Nature. I thank Mother Nature for giving me resources. I love myself. I'm lovable. I'm capable. I'm valuable. And I'm a superb human. Raindrop claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoosh. First one. Second one. Last one. Open your eyes, see this world's about to be. Done, coach.
Thank you so much. Everybody live purposefully, live powerfully. You are indeed a superwoman. Have a great day. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Coach,
Here.
coach,
Yeah, yes, Yukta.
coach, I have a question.
Yeah,
When I'm doing Vajrasan, right?
yeah.
After I get up from Vajrasan, my legs become red. Is that
Very-
fine?
Yeah, perfectly all.
Oh, okay. That didn't happen before, that's why I asked.
Oh, you are reaching to the next level. Now you will start elevating from the ground. Initially, it will be a very small gap. Don't tear away to show off people. Slowly, then you will start. One day, then you have to do the morning ritual on the ceiling. Because what will happen is the ceiling will be obstructing you. You cannot go above it. That way, you're becoming enlightened.
Okay.
Love you. Run. It's time. 6:30. Your school. Bye-bye.
Bye, coach.
Bye, Celestia. Bye-bye.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become #1 in studies and #1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.